Are you trying to notarize a photocopy or an affidavit in the United States and not sure how to do it? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps, including what to bring, where to go, and what the notary does. It will be acceptable to passport and immigration documents in the US. Let's begin. Let's start with photocopies. In the US, notarizing a photocopy works in two different ways depending on your state. Method 1. Some states allow a notary to certify a copy. This means the notary compares your photocopy with the original and stamps the photocopy as a true copy. Method 2. If your state doesn't allow certified copy notarization, you will simply sign a statement saying, "I declare that this is a true copy of the original document." This is called a copy certification by document custodian. You sign this statement in front of the notary, and the notary notarizes your signature, not the copy. Both methods are widely accepted, including by consulates in USCIS. Here's what you should bring for photocopy notarization. The original document, a photocopy, a valid government ID such as a passport or driver's license. The whole process usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Notarizing an affidavit is even simpler. Just print or write your affidavit, but do not sign it at home. You must sign it in front of the notary. Go to a notary public, bring your ID, sign the affidavit in front of the notary. The notary will stamp and sign it. You can find a notary almost anywhere in the US. You'll find them at UPS stores, FedEx office, many banks and credit unions, and sometimes even public libraries. Notarization typically costs $5 to $15, depending on the state. For example, in states like California, it costs around $15 to $20 per signature. Some banks offer it free for customers if they have a checking account with them. Online Notary, or Remote Online Notarization, RON, is a virtual process where a notary public verifies identity and witnesses document signing via secure audio-visual tech, eliminating the need for physical presence. You should visit your Secretary of State's website to find an online notary in your state. How it works? You meet the notary via a secure online platform using your device, computer, phone, tablet, with a webcam and microphone. You will need to upload your ID, and the notary confirms your identity using your ID and security questions, knowledge-based authentication, or biometrics. You sign the digital document using an electronic signature, and the notary applies their electronic seal and signature. An audio-visual recording of the entire session is captured and stored securely. The notarized document is available immediately, often in a tamper-evident format. The key benefit is that it is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, saving travel time. Properly performed RON has the same legal standing as traditional notarization, governed by the notary's commissioning state laws. A few quick tips. For visa and passport purposes, use an in-person notary, not an online notary, unless the consulate specifically allows it. Notaries cannot certify US birth certificates or other vital records. Those can only be certified by the issuing agency. That's it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more guides on visas, passport renewal, and travel documentation. Leave your questions in the comments. We reply to everyone.